Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I am going to explain this question in this video. The question says that the decomposition of NH3 on platinum sample is zero order reaction. What are the rate of production of N2 and H2? If rate constant is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second, and the reaction is 2NH3 gives N2 plus 3H2. So basically question is saying that if decomposition of ammonia on platinum surface is a zero order reaction and reaction is given in the question, and also rate constant for the reaction is given in the question, then we have to identify the rate of production of nitrogen and hydrogen in the reaction. So what is given that order of the reaction, that is zero order, rate constant K is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second, and to find rate of production of N2 and H2. So as we can see that this is the question from chemical kinetics, and to solve this question, first we have to write the differential rate equation for the above reaction, and we can write the differential rate equation for above reaction, that is minus of half from its stoichiometry, minus of half into differentiation of concentration of NH3 with respect to time equal to plus, there is no coefficient, so there is only plus 1, differentiation of concentration of N2 nitrogen with respect to time equal to, again there is a coefficient of 3 which comes into the divide, plus 1 by 3 differentiation of concentration of H2 upon time. This will be equal to the K, that is rate constant, into concentration of NH3 to the power 0, because order of the reaction is 0. So this is the differential rate equation, and this K into NH3 comes from the rate law. To find the rate of production of N2, we have to consider this equation and this equation, because we know the value of rate constant. So rate of production of N2, that is differentiation of concentration of N2 upon dt, will be equal to K into NH3 to the power 0, and power to the 0 will always give to 1, so there will always K. Now production of NH3 will be equal to the rate constant, and the value of rate constant equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second. Now come to the second part of the question, that is rate of production of hydrogen, and from above equation we can again write the rate of production of hydrogen, that is equal to differentiation of concentration of H2 upon dt, that gives, we will consider now this equation, that is 1 by 3 dH2 upon dt equal to K. I am writing this equation here. Now 3 will come to the other side and it will become 3K. Now the production of hydrogen equal to 3 into K, and we have to put the value of K, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4, and multiply it by 3, we will get 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second. So this will be the rate of production of hydrogen. So the final answer is rate of production of nitrogen equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second, and rate of production of hydrogen equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per mole liter per second. So this is the final answer. I am giving a trick to you here. As we can see here that there is a stoichiometric coefficient is 1 and there is stoichiometric